Salad decoration activity was held on the virtual platform by Birla Balika Vidyapeeth Pilani. The objective behind was to inculcate healthy food habits and awareness regarding the choice of food among our children. A salad is not a meal, it is a style. The participants' creativity was revealed through the beautiful designs and patterns formed with different mouth-watering salads. The students displayed copious types of both vegetable and fruit salads, such as watermelon basket salad, combo salad, jumbo salad, and many more ingenious salads, using commonly available ingredients. This explained the speciality of their salad and also the importance of including salad in our regular diet for maintaining good health and keeping diseases at bay. The main focus was not only the preparation of salads but also upon their artistic presentation, which carried an aesthetic aspect. We exhorted upon the students to make salad eating a routine habit for enabling them to maintain a healthy life. What is more refreshing than salads when your appetite seems to have deserted you, or even after a capacious dinner, the nice, fresh, green and crisp salad full of life and health, which seems to invigorate the palate and dispose the masticating powers to a much longer duration. This activity truly demonstrates a healthy food for a healthy mood, and health is the relationship between you and your body.